Interstate moving in Australia, costs, routes, and trusted removalists. Hello and welcome to Harry, the Mover Relocation Guide. Moving to a new state in Australia? Whether it's for work or lifestyle, we know how exciting and stressful it can be. From packing and school planning to settling into a new home, there's heaps to manage. That's where we step in. Why choose Harry, the Mover? We help families across Australia make stress-free moves every day. Our trained team handles everything from planning to unpacking, tailored to your needs. With Harry the Mover, you're not just moving, you're moving smart. What affects moving costs? Your cost depends on distance, time of year, and what you're moving. Want to save more? Book early and declutter. We give you a full breakdown, no hidden fees, just honest pricing. Packing and backload options. Use our Pro Packing service for safety and speed. Or choose backloading for smaller moves. It's eco-friendly and budget-smart. Make your move with confidence. Never forget to subscribe to our channel and visit Harry the Mover website for interstate and local house and office moving in Australia.